how to change the Ryobi string trimmer line. Now if you have this one, click this video here that I made the other day. This is the one we're talking about today. Remember, before you even think about getting your hands in that string trimmer, take off the battery. Now as you get down here to the business end, this is what you'll use to replace your string trimmer. You do not use these modular pieces. That's for the small Ryobi. You use the 0.8 inch string. Okay, this spool here, sorry about the black marks. We hit the rubber edging one too many times in the yard. If you turn it, it'll actually have a spot that says load, and you equal up the arrow so it loads. Okay, again, you do not want the modular spools for this, so this is a no-go. You only use the individual 0.08 inch line, and it's single-stranded. It's not in a spool at all, you'll see. This is how they look right out of the box. And you can take off these tabs immediately. Okay, that's it. Now, with it in the load position, guys, it's actually easier than you think. You're going to literally just feed it through the hole, and it'll come out the other end, and you want to grab that and go ahead and pull it through 50% of the way through. And then by matching up both ends when you pull it through, that's how you know you're 50% of the way through, so they're even. And now you just start winding it up. Turn the spool to the right clockwise, and it's winding it up. Now, as you might imagine, that's going to take a bit of time, and you're anxious to get your weeding done. So they do provide a little bit of a crank tool. Simply insert it over and start cranking. Now when you're getting close to the cutting circumference, that's the right time to stop. Now's the time to slap your big old 40-volt battery back in place and see if you're back in business. Now this Ryobi model, when you need the string to advance, you do simply tap it on the ground. And rest assured, every time you tap that, a little bit more string is advancing. I do have product links in the video description down below for everything I used in this video.